What's up, folks? Thanks for checking out the video. This is the Japanese maple red dwarf that I picked up off of Amazon from Japanese Maples and Evergreens, the Amazon seller. And I've ordered 4 trees. All 4 trees came in alive and healthy, including this one. And I just want to give you guys the opportunity to see what I received. So as you can see, the red dwarf is grafted to rootstock. And that graft appears to be solid and healthy. So when you first receive these trees, they're going to come U.S. Postal Service in a all boxed up in a box about the size of a book. And they're going to come in soil, a very small box of soil that is wrapped in cellophane. And it looks like they water it or spritz it a little bit because there was some moisture in there when I received it. They also come with a little stick of bamboo, and that's to help protect the stalk and the graft during transit. Now, if you order these, follow the tracking. U.S. Postal Service does have tracking, and be sure that you receive the package as soon as it's delivered. What you don't want is for your brand new Japanese maple to sit in that hot box on a stoop or in front of your garage or whatever, getting beat up by the sun all day before you can get to it. So just be sure that you or your neighbor or somebody can get to it, because you don't want to stress this plant any more than it already has been through transit. So this is the red dwarf. They say this plant will get 8 to 10 feet in height. And I plan on containering mine for the first several years. And once they get about 3 or 4 feet, then I'll plant them outside in the back or the front yard. But for the first several years, they're going to be container dwellers. And I'll prune them, keep them down, and just use them as house plants or back porch plants, or around the yard plants here in the garden. But I ordered 4 trees from this same seller, Japanese Maples and Evergreens, and all 4 trees were healthy. All of the grafts, those look good. They look like they've started to fuse. And all 4 trees appear to have some healthy leaves on them, or at least the beginning of healthy leaves on them. This one had the most leaves out of the 4. So thanks for checking out the video. I hope it's been fun. I hope it's been informative. Y'all take care.